Hello and welcome. This is Devin Pastorius from Windsor Creative Real Estate Photography, and welcome to our tutorial on how to log in and book your first shoot on our new online booking software. Now, if you already have an account, you'll have received an email from us with your activation. All you have to do is click on that link. If you need it again, let us know and we'll send it to you, no problem. Now, if you're setting up an account for the first time, all you have to do is click login. It'll bring you here and you'll just click register. Once you click register, it'll give you the option to put in all of your information and you will have your account. However, if you already have your account, simply put in your email address, put in your password, and away you go. Once you log into your account, you'll see your dashboard. Now, your dashboard offers you a view of all of your listings and all of your scheduled shoots. Now, you'll see here something that says sites. Sites refers to the individual listing and the media that you've ordered with it. So in this case, in my current backend, I have one address, 123 North Main Street. That is our sample site. Now, this is live. You'll see the list price, and we'll go through this on another video in the future about all the different things that go into the back end of my property sites. But for now, what you will most likely see is absolutely nothing. You'll just see a screen that's up there that has nothing on it, and all you'll see is the button that says order a photo shoot now. So once you've logged in, click order a photo shoot now. This will open up another page with your booking. Here, you'll be able to view all of the different options that you have to choose from. The majority of our clients will probably be selecting either the brass tacks or one of the two, photos and video or photos and iGuide. I'll be creating another video shortly and sending it out that goes over what each one of these different packages offers and how you can make it work for your listing best. So let's go ahead and we're going to select the brass tacks. Here you'll also be prompted to select any additional services that you may or may not need, including adding more photos, adding drone, adding the marketing kit, twilight photography, twilight photo and video, whichever you need. In this case, let's just go with the brass tacks. It'll then prompt you to enter an address. So in this case, let's try 500 Olette Avenue. Perfect. So this is powered by Google and it'll start to predict which address you're most likely going to put in. 500 Olette, confirm the information and where it's at, and then select your appointment time. It will prompt you with three options. Now, if one of those three options don't work, no worries. Go to no, show me the calendar. Here it'll give you all the options that fit within our schedule. As you can see here on our schedule, we have noon, 1, 2, 3, and so on. So let's select Saturday the 9th at noon. Now that appointment time will be held for 15 minutes. So in the project details, because we've selected the brass tacks, it will ask you if you want a vertical 9x16 for social media reels or a landscape 16:9 video. Your selection entirely. Vertical, landscape, whichever you'd like. So let's go with landscape. Under the additional information, this is where you're going to put any details or notes that you need us to know. So whether that is how we're going to get access, if there's a lockbox code, if the client's going to let us in, whatever pertinent information you think is reasonable to put in, go ahead and put it in there now. One of the new features that we're offering as well is credit card payments. Now with credit card payments, you either have to make the payment on booking or make the payment on delivery of the media, so the next day after the shoot. For clients who wish to keep on our long-term end of the month invoicing, we can set that up as well, but credit card payment is not available on the monthly booking, only on pay on delivery or pay to book. Now, once you put in your credit card information, you can keep that card on file for future use, and the system will automatically remember all of your information and will either do the payment on delivery or the payment on booking. Some simple terms, just have to click agree to, and then you can place your order. So once you place your order, you'll see a little bit of a loading screen. And then once it confirms the appointment, you'll get the thank you screen and you'll also receive an email which says thank you for your order and it'll confirm the date, time, and place. Now, if you go back to your dashboard, you'll see 500 Olette is in there, it's preparing. And if you click on that, it'll show you some site checklists, right? So the site media, the site data, you haven't put in the listing information or description yet. You can do all of those things. Simply go over to the site data and put that in there. Now, this is mostly required if you're going to be getting the marketing kit. And again, I'm going to be making a video that goes over the marketing kit and has all that information for you. But for now, you don't really have to worry about any of this if you don't want to. You just have to go back. You'll see your sites, the ones that you have set up. If you need to make a change, if you need to cancel the appointment, all you have to do is go back to your dashboard, go down to your site, and you'll see the scheduled photo shoots. You'll see the products that you ordered with it, and you have the opportunity to reschedule. Now with rescheduling, you can either reschedule now, Just say TBD, we don't know, sellers are taking their time, whatever the case may be. Or if you need to cancel, you can always cancel or reschedule up to 24 hours before the appointment time. Save the changes. Once it'll load, you'll also see that no longer is it in your sites. And we'll just go through the back end, zero out these invoices, and void them. You'll also receive an email which says that you have canceled the appointment with a confirmation on it. So that's how you log in and create your first shoot with Windsor Creative Real Estate Photography's online booking system. Very, very simple. We'll also be creating a video for how to do it on the app. It's the exact same process. If you do have any questions or run into any trouble, no problem at all. Just give me a shout. I'll be more than happy to walk you through the entire process.